In this video, I want to go and show you how you can add a GIF to a retweet on Twitter. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do. All you need to go ahead and do is come over to Twitter and go ahead and find a tweet that you want to go ahead and retweet. So I'm just going to go ahead now and use this one from UFC as an example. So just go ahead and click on the retweet button right there in the middle. And then once you've done that, as you can see, it's got an option there on the bar for a picture, a GIF, and your location. So all you need to go ahead and do is literally click on GIF, and then it'll bring up this here. And you've got a couple of categories here that you can choose from. So I'll just go ahead and click on this dance category. And then you get a bunch of options of GIFs to choose from. So you can go ahead and literally choose whichever one you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one here for an example. And I'm going to go ahead and click on retweet. And then I'll go to my profile now and just have a look at what it looks like once you've retweeted it to your profile. So if you go over to your profile, this is how it would look once you've posted it to your profile. So your GIF would be on top and then the tweet would be right there underneath. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.